We shall now solve an example of constructing the binary search tree. So, given keys and their probabilities, now you have to construct a binary search tree. So, given these values A, B, C, D as the keys and probabilities 0.1, 0.2, 0.4, 0.3. Okay. And please recall that our formula for Cij is minimum Ck minus 1 plus Ck plus 1j plus summation all the probabilities. Okay. So given this formula, how you can find C of I comma I minus 1? Why? Because this comes as one table entry. So I am just putting this here. Okay. See I comma I minus 1. Okay. Say for example, number of keys is 0. I mean empty binary search tree. If it is a empty binary search tree, then what is the number of key comparisons? It is 0 itself. Yes, 0 itself. Okay. So C of I comma I minus 1 for I value in between 1 and n plus 1. In between 1 and n plus 1, we shall write this as 0. Okay. Okay. So one example is C of 1 comma 0 is 0. Okay. So in this case this indicates I value and this indicates the j value, and if you take j minus I, it is minus 1, correct. So it is so C of 1 comma 0 is 0. Similarly, so whichever yields j minus I as minus 1, so those values we have to fill up first. Okay. So which other combinations of ij yields minus 1? Yeah. So it is 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, C of 2 comma 1 is also 0. I mean this is how we have to fill up the table. Okay. Next, it is 3. I mean 2 minus 3 is equal to 1, isn't it? 2 minus 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, C of 3 comma 2 is also 0. That is how we have to consider. Right. So this is one thing, that is C of I comma I minus 1 is 0. Next, similarly, C of I comma I, what does it mean? C of I comma I mean we have only one element. We have only one key value. So if you have only one key value, I mean that itself will be the binary search tree, and the number of comparisons is just probability of I into number of comparisons is 1, anyhow 1, so which is nothing but Pi. Therefore, C of 1 comma 1, what is the value? P1. C 2 comma 2, it is P, probability of the second key, probability of the first key. Okay, that is how. Now come back to the problem. So I will just reformulate this as keys. A as key 1, key 2, key 3 and 4. Okay. So given these key values, you have to construct the table. How you have to construct the table? I will just let you know. So you have to construct the two tables here. One is the main table and another one is called as the root table. Okay. Okay. So how many keys are there? 4. Therefore, these columns should be starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the rows should be 1, 2, 3, 4. This is enough. Okay. So this indicates I, this indicates j. Okay. All right. So this is the main table. Similarly, you have to also have what is called as the root table, and both the tables simultaneously you have to go on filling. Okay. All right. Now we shall begin with C I comma I. Okay. So what is C I comma I? It is probability of I. So therefore C 1 comma 1, 2 2, 3 3 and 4 4. So 1 1. So 1 1. So probability of the first key is 0.1. So 0.1, fill it up here. Okay. So if the probability of having the key 1 is 0.1, that is what we fill here. And with this, which is the root node? Key 1 itself is the root node, because we have only one node in the search tree. So that is what we mean CII. Therefore, for 1 comma 1, the key is 1. I mean, first key itself is the root node. Next, if it is C 2 comma 2, okay, what does it mean? We have only second key as the root node. If you have only second key as the root node, then probability is of 2 2 is 0.2, and second key itself is the root node. Therefore, in the root table it is 2 2 is 2. Similarly, C of 3 3 is 0.4, and the root node is third key. 4 4 is 0.3, and the root node is 4. Okay. So fourth key is the root node. That is the meaning. Next we shall fill up C I comma I minus 1. Okay. I comma I minus 1. So C 1 comma 0. C 1 comma 0. So as we saw here, C 1 comma 0 as 0. So C 1 comma 0 as 0. So in this case, you can see when we were filling I, so I minus, regard this as I, regard this as J. So J minus I is equal to 0. When J minus I is equal to 0, what are the values? The probabilities itself. The probabilities itself. Now we are filling the table elements for which, so this is I, this is J. So J minus I is equal to minus 1. Okay. So it is 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So I filled 0 here. Similarly, 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So I fill 0 here. Similarly, 2 minus 3, I mean C of 3 2 is 0. C of 4 3 is 0. So that is how I go on filling. Okay. However, in the root table, it is invalid. I mean, when there are when the binary search tree is empty, we don't have any root node. Okay. Next, see, we filled up the elements diagonally, isn't it? Similarly, the remaining elements also you have to fill up diagonally. I mean, you have to fill up first this, next this, next this, and then you have to fill this, and then you have to fill this. Okay. All right. So this is I, this is J. So C 1 comma 2. Okay. C 1 comma 2. I have to find C 1 comma 2. What do you mean by this? So I have to find the binary search tree comprising the first two key elements. If you are given only these two key elements, then which binary search tree you are going to construct? That is the meaning. Okay. So I will just recollect the formula here. C of I comma j is equal to minimum of k in between I, j, and C I comma k minus 1 plus C k plus 1 comma j plus summation of all the probabilities I to j. Okay, right. So in this case, C 1 comma 2. So it is minimum of k value in between 1 and 2. So 1, 2, these are the two possible values. So for k value 1, what is the value? For k value 2, what is the this value? So for k value 1 and comma k value 2, we shall write the values. Now, so k value 1, it is C of I, which is nothing but 1 comma k minus 1 is 0, okay, plus C of k plus 1, what is current k value? 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2 comma j value is 2, okay. So this is one combination, and another combination for k value 2 is C I is 1 and k minus 1 is k is 2, so it is 1 C 1 1 plus C k plus 1, that is 3 comma j is 2, okay, all right. So this is minimum. C10, what is C10? It is C10, look at the table, C10 is 0 plus C22 is 0.2 comma C11 is 0.1 plus C32 is 0 plus plus probabilities of all the keys from I to j, so 1 to 2. So from key 1 till key 2, key 1 key 2, what are the probability? 0.1 plus 0.2, so it is 0.3 equals, so which is the minimum? It is 0.1, correct? 0.1, therefore it is 0.1 plus 0.3, how much? 0.4. So you have to fill up 0.4 for C of 1 comma 2, it is 0.4 here. Now which key value has yielded this minimum value? This key value, which is that this k value, okay. So this k value 2, therefore you will have to fill up the k value here 2. C1 2 in the root table you have to fill up 2. Why? Because for the k value 2 I obtained the minimum, and that minimum value is 0.4, I filled up here, okay, right. Similarly, the next value I have to consider is this 2 comma 3, okay, C 2 comma 3, okay. Why only like this? Why I should not consider C 1 comma 3 next, okay. Why? Because in order to obtain the higher values we need the lower values, okay. That's some that is what the dynamic programming, okay. Next I will go for C 2 comma 3, okay. C 2 comma 3 is minimum, k value in between 2 3, okay. So k value takes 2 and 3, so it is look at the formula. So look at the formula, it is in this case I value is 2 and j value is 3, and for k value 2 comma k value 3 I have to find the sub values. So C I 2 k minus 1 1 plus C k plus 1 3 j 3, okay, comma C I 2 k minus 1 2, k is 3, so plus C k plus 1, that is 4 j 3, okay. So plus the probabilities of all the key values 2 to 3. So 2 and 3, what are the combined probability? It is 0.2 plus 0.4, 0.6, okay. So minimum of C21, what is C21? It is 0, C21, look at the table, 0, plus C33, 0.4, comma C22, it is 0.2 plus C43, it is 0, okay. So it is minimum of 0.4 and 0.2, so it is 0.2 plus 0.6, it is 0.8. Therefore you have to fill up 0.8 here, you have to fill up 0.8 here, and which k value has given this minimum value? K value 3. Therefore, you have to fill up 3 in the root table. 3 in the root table. Okay. Now, next value C34. C34. So, this turns out to be around 1.0 and k value 3. So, it is 1.0 and the key value 3. Okay. Next, I will go for one more value, that is C1 comma 3. C1 comma 3, it is minimum of k in between 1 and 3. Therefore, k value takes 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, this is for k value 1, comma, this is for k value 2, comma, this is for k value 3. Okay. So, if we have k value as 1, k value as 1, look at the formula. Look at the formula. So, this here is the formula. So, it is C I value is 1, k minus 1 is 0, plus C of k plus 1, that is 2. So, I is 1, j is 3. So, 3. Okay. K plus 1, 3. Similarly, k value 2, it is C of I, that is 1, comma, k minus 1 is 2 minus 1, 1, plus C of 3, comma, 3. Next, C of 1, comma, 2 plus C of 4, comma, 3. Okay. Plus, combined all probabilities 1 to 3. So, 0.1, 0.2, 0.4. So, it is 0.7. So, it is minimum. C10, C10 is 0. C23, C23 is 0.8. Okay, 0.8 plus, comma. Next, C11 and C33. Okay, C11 is 0.1. C33 is 0.4, comma, okay. C12 and C43. C12 is 0.4, C43 is 0. Okay. So, which is the minimum? So, it is 0.8, it is 0.5 and it is 0.4, right. So, this is the minimum value. So, 0.4 plus 0.7, it is 1.1, correct. Therefore, I have to fill 1.1 here, and which k value has yielded this minimum? K value 3. Therefore, you have to fill k value 3 in the root table. Okay. So, by doing so, please continue like this. You will get the value 1.4 here, 1.7 here, and the key values 3 here. Okay. Now, what after this is look at the root table of 1 comma 4. What is R of 1 comma 4? It is 3. What do you mean by this? So, here key 1 and here key 4. So, with the key value starting from 1 to 4, which node is the root node? The third key, key value 3 is the root node. C has to be made as the root node. So, C is the root node, right. So, now when C is made as the root node, all its left keys becomes the A and B comes in the left comes as the left subtree, and D comes as the right subtree. So, since we have only one element at the right side, I will just write it as it is, D. Okay. Now we have two key values, that is 1 and 2, to be filled up as the left subtree of C. Now, out of A and B, out of 1 and 2, which has to be made as the root node? So go for root node of 1 comma 2 because we have the keys 1 to 1 to 2. So 1 to 2 I have to select the root node. So R of 1 to 2, R of 1 to 2, which is the root node? 2. 2 which is nothing but the element B. So B has to be made as the left child, right? Similarly, we are left with A, so A will be the left child of B. And this is the required optimal binary search tree. Okay, that's it.